Hey guys, and what's up? Let's talk today about Chrome extensions. I noticed there are very few videos on YouTube on Chrome extensions, and I think Chrome extensions are like the pants of the internet. You put them on, and you're going to take them with you wherever you go on the internet. That's the awesome thing about it. I feel like there's so much opportunities in Chrome extensions, and it's such a powerful tool. It can run on any web page in the background. In the background, you can communicate with the server, send data into the DOM, the actual web page, and so on. You can scrape with Chrome extensions also. That's pretty much what we're talking about today, scraping with Chrome extensions. But pretty much the Chrome extensions structure. The example project is a project that scrapes Amazon. And here it is. I'm going to actually put a link to this in the description. And let's begin by actually cloning it. I'm going to go into my desktop. I'm going to press git clone. I have another tutorial on Git if you're interested, but I'm sure most of you probably know it if you're interested in scraping and Chrome extension basics. It's been added to my desktop. I'm going to actually go to my desktop and open it. Oops, sorry guys. What is it called? Yeah, Chrome extension basics. So let's open this in Sublime and have a look at the project structure, because the project structure is really crucial. When I had to learn this, I just had to go to so many different sources on Stack Overflow and just here and there and just trial and error. But I feel like this really breaks it down really nicely. I even made a picture which underlines exactly the structure of a Chrome extension. We'll get back into the code in a second. But you should know that there's actually 4 different types of pages that you'll see in almost every Chrome extension project. Popup.js, that controls the element over here. I'm going to show you what it controls. Okay, it controls this little thing over here. See, I clicked on, this is a Facebook pixel helper, for example. It monitors how many pixels are sent to Facebook on any web page. And when I click this, this is called this is usually controlled by a page. This content is controlled by a page called popup.js. Okay, you have, I believe, popup.html and popup.js. It's just a naming convention. Okay, let's continue. Then you have the content.js that actually runs on the page. So, for example, for the Facebook, I wrote the DOM, the document object model, actual web page. So this is good for interacting with the web page, the content.js. For example, you need to actually know what's happening on an actual web page. Like for example, let's go back into the Facebook pixel helper. In order for it to detect which pixels are firing, it needs to actually listen to the page as it loads. Let's see an example here. Okay, Facebook pixel helper. See, 2 pixels found on moneyboat.co.uk. So what it did was content.js must have listened to what's happening on this page as the JavaScript and the HTML loads, and what actually happens on that page. All right, and if the Chrome extension wanted to edit the page, make everything blue, for example. Okay. Make everything blue, for example, it would be able to do that through content.js, which usually interacts with the actual page. Background.js is for background processes. So, for example, content. If you wanted to make a call to an API, and we're going to talk about that in our project. Our project is an Amazon scraper, and it's an Amazon scraper, so it does have a background.js, which pretty much sends the content.js page will grab data from Amazon and keep on changing the URL to go to the next URL. And the background.js page is going to be content.js will send that data to background.js. Background.js is where you actually send that data to the server and get whatever response, maybe talk back with the content.js, but so on. So it's really good. It runs in the background. It's good for communicating with the server, sending data back to the DOM. Okay, and manifest.json is very good for the settings page, and you'll see that pretty much in every project. One other thing you can do is you can go into Chrome, and I'm going to go into Chrome now. Let's see, and I'm gonna also share this in Chrome extension examples. There's a really good documentation. All right, it's called sample extensions, and you see all the different features of Chrome extensions. It's made by Google. It's pretty much one of the best developer guides ever because it's got an example project for every single Chrome extensions feature. So you really have for example, global Google search. I'm also going to take a chance to maybe download one of these and show you how to actually install it. So let's see. Right now, I don't have my Amazon scraper here, and you can always go in here and download this. Okay, as you'll see, it downloads a zip file, and I'm actually going to go into the. Remember, I git cloned a project at the beginning of this. I'm going to go into my 3 dots and then Chrome extensions, more tools, extensions. I'm going to press developer mode, not load unpacked extension. That's while you're developing. You need to have developer mode enabled and press load unpacked extension. And that's going to take me to the desktop. I'm going to go into Chrome extension basics. Manifest.json file should be in the root directory. I press open, and boom, now I have this new thing. Ooh, Chrome debugger features, right? The scraper is debugging this browser. That's because I have, the reason you're seeing that white thing is because, that yellow tab, is because I've got this permissions debugger feature enabled. If I turn that off, it'll go away. But as it says in the, let's see, one sec, guys. In the GitHub tutorial, all you need to do now that you have it installed, the browser will automatically cycle between pages 1 and 18 of this Amazon search. Okay? When this is happening, visit Chrome extensions page again and click background.html. This will give you a Chrome Developer Tools GUI to see what's happening in the background of your Chrome extension. Your Amazon network activity will get logged to the console and can be sent to any server of your choice. So let's go into Amazon here and have a look at what happens here. Right now it's on page, have a look at the pages, page 3, 4, 5. It's cycling through 6. It's cycling through the pages. So I'm going to need to reload this. Let's see where scraper. The scraper. I can go into the background page here, loaded views, and I'm going to see exactly what's happening. See, let's go into the network tab, add Amazon DOM data. All right, and you can see exactly what it's sending. Preview form data. Is it sending anything? Looks like there's an error in sending something. So we'll debug this together, but you can see that definitely something is happening in the background, and it's cycling through a lot of different pages. All right, guys, and we'll also make it slower. All right, and let's close that. So this is the end of part 1 of the Chrome extension scraper, showing you a little bit of how powerful it is. I can disable it, and if I click on, again, on, let's see, where did that page go? If I click again on Amazon, that same page, this time it's not going to cycle like crazy. It's just going to stay on page 18. All right, and so we'll pick this up in the next one, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to share your comments if you have them.